Good morning, my YouTube fam. Can you guys believe it? Today is day 12 out of 90 of my weight loss challenge. And also, it is a Monday. When it is a Monday, different things are coming, different things in diet, different things in my workout routine, and also a different and a more positive mindset. It is 9 o'clock, and I'm already up and ready with my morning drinks. Like you guys have seen, a couple of things have changed, but my chia seeds and warm water and lemon will always be a part of my drinks and my life. Now I'm also going for my workout class today after almost a month and a half. I injured myself and I'm going today and I'm a little nervous. I'm like, but you got to do what you got to do, and I'm really looking forward to it. I know if I go today, kal meri body to sore ho jayegi, like max. Also, this is a new collagen that I'm trying. This is in cranberry flavor. It's in different company and it's just like a collagen shot. I don't have to put it in water or something. So let's see how this tastes. I've literally tasted this in camera in front of y'all. It's nice. It just went inside. Let's see. Let me take it for another 10 days and let's see how my skin and my hair and my energy levels feel after taking this collagen. Also, there is one more major change that I'm not going to have my breakfast because it's already 9 o'clock, 11 ki maine apni workout class book ki hai. So I don't want to eat too much. I don't have the habit of eating and working out because then I feel too full. So I'm just going to have my drinks. I'm going to have a pre-workout, go workout, come back, have my lunch, have a bigger mid-evening snack. Like I'll include a bigger mid-evening snack and I'll shift my dinner to say 7 because I'll be fasting more now, like from 7 to say 11:30, 12. So right now it's just going to be morning drinks, pre-workout, gym, lunch, mid-evening, dinner. So now the breakfast part is a little shifted to mid-evening. Also, I have started with my immunity shots again. These are made at home, great for hair, skin, your immunity, because I catch a viral like this. Like कोई बीमार होगा 10 building छोड़ के and I will get the infection और फिर मैं बीमार हो जाऊंगी. So I really need to take this immunity shot. The kind of shots that I do in the morning, collagen, immunity, like this is what you all should be doing. Thank God for the person who found coffee beans and who invented black coffee. Now it's time for black coffee, and then I'm going to quickly get ready for my workout. I won't be able to film what's going inside because obviously there are other people also working out. Or wo time pe if I put the camera, it won't look nice, but I definitely will show you guys my workout place and how it looks and how the vibe is. And I'll see you guys for my workout. What a good luck. The lift is not working, and now your girl is just climbing. I am back from my workout, and honestly, I was shivering. Like I couldn't work out. Everyone was like, "Jazz, where have you been?" And I was like, "Injury ho gayi thi, sir. Ghar pe baiti thi." But it felt so good. You know the feeling of blood rushing and you're sweating and just moving your body. Trust me, if anyone is feeling demotivated, उठो और बस एक दिन जिम जाओ, एक दिन वर्कआउट क्लास जाओ. When you go inside your gym, the environment, seeing other people working out, it's just going to motivate you so much. Like it felt so good. I know tomorrow my body is going to be like super sore, but I will make sure that I go tomorrow as well. Like you guys must have seen now, no bajre ki roti. Lunch looks completely different. I've started bread instead. So I call this the healthy avocado and chicken sandwich. I mean, I need protein and I just wanted to stop like tail and spices. So this is the best option. You're getting your protein, you're getting your fats because of avocado, you're getting carbs because of bread, and it is so yummy. I am super hungry. I'm going to eat my lunch and see you guys for mid evening snacks. Good evening, YouTube fam. I am back for my mid evening snacks because I did not have breakfast. So now I'm going to make sure that I have something healthy and I fill my stomach at around 4:35 so I do not feel hungry at night. And when I wake up in the morning to work out, I'm still pretty okay. Like you guys have seen, I have a yogurt bowl, but this is not an ordinary yogurt bowl. This is my protein yogurt bowl. So this has a scoop of protein as well, and I've added some gluten-free, chocolate-free granola and pomegranates. Honestly, I was out for some work and I couldn't concentrate. Like, I feel so tired because I've properly worked out after a month and a half, you know. So itni thakawat type ho rahi hai. I just want to sleep. Like, my shoulders are sore, my core is sore. So that is why it's extremely important for me now to have my protein. Like, the protein intake has got to be high. Hmm. The flavor of my protein shake is what is it, chocolate cake? No, it's vanilla cake. So this actually tastes like cake but in a healthy form. So yeah, good. It also satisfies my sweet cravings. Also, for anyone wondering, I am having my black coffee, but wo maine freezer mein rakhi. I do not add ice cubes now because that is 10 days of getting sick and another 10 days of not working out, and I cannot afford that. Also, I have with me my mangoes. I'm not going to miss this because ये seasonal fruit है और मैं पूरे साल wait करती हूँ कि mangoes आ जाए, so I'm just going to have this as well. It is 6:45 and I am back to have my dinner. Like you guys have seen, I'm having a grilled chicken piece and a little bit of chicken salad. Chicken salad because I just love it. I love like a cold chicken salad, and the piece of chicken for my protein. I ate bread, so that covered my carbs. I had avocado, so that had healthy fats. I had my yogurt, I had my mango. So I feel also I had my protein. So I feel really full right now, but I'm going to go ahead and eat my dinner. Also, I have booked tomorrow's workout class at 10:30, so I'm going to be fasting from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and I'm going to come at 12 and have my lunch, and then mid evening and the dinner. You guys know the drill. So this is a wrap on day 12. Please let me know, have you guys been following your diet? What's happening in your life? Have you lost a little bit of weight? Are you guys feeling healthy? Also, please start working out. I know it's difficult, but trust me, it made me feel so good. I cannot wait to go and work out again tomorrow. This is a wrap on day 12. I love you guys and see you all tomorrow.